Tensions between Iran and the U.S. are skyrocketing as Iran's president accuses America of unprovoked military aggression. What is fueling this dangerous conflict right now? Iran's president recently addressed the American public directly, accusing the U.S. of unprovoked military aggression. This statement comes amid ongoing strikes and military tensions that have escalated over the past month. The Iranian leadership cites decades of distrust, pointing to past U.S. support for the Shah, backing Saddam Hussein, and now recent military actions as deepening hostility. This letter underlines Iran's stance that the U.S. initiated attacks without justification, complicating any potential peace talks. On Tuesday, a Kuwaiti oil tanker in Dubai waters was struck by what Kuwait authorities claim was an Iranian drone. The attack ignited a fire on board, which was extinguished without injuries or environmental damage. This incident highlights the regional risks escalating with the conflict. The tanker was carrying oil, a critical resource in the global economy, and such attacks raise fears over supply disruptions. This event adds to the tension between Iran and neighboring countries allied with the U.S. Even as the U.S. military claims to have hit over 11,000 targets in Iran, the nuclear threat remains unresolved. The Isfahan site still contains near-bomb-grade nuclear material, raising alarms about Iran's potential to develop nuclear weapons. The U.S. president is currently weighing approval of a risky military strategy to neutralize this threat. This standoff over nuclear capabilities remains central to the conflict and future diplomatic efforts. Donald Trump is set to deliver a primetime speech tonight at 9 p.m. ET, announcing that the war in Iran, now lasting over a month, is winding down. According to sources, he will claim that all American military goals have been achieved. Yet White House officials have remained vague on specifics, leaving many questions about the real status on the ground. This address aims to reassure the American public but may not signal an immediate end to tensions. The animosity between Iran and the U.S. is rooted in decades of conflict and mistrust. Iran's president pointed to U.S. support for the Shah in the 20th century, backing Saddam Hussein during the Iran-Iraq War and sweeping sanctions as causes for deepening hostility. Most recently, the president highlights unprovoked military aggression as further proof of U.S. hostility. This historical context is crucial to understanding why diplomatic solutions remain elusive and why military confrontations continue. This conflict affects global oil markets, regional stability, and the risk of nuclear escalation. For you, it means possible spikes in fuel prices and greater geopolitical uncertainty. Stay informed as this situation unfolds and subscribe for the latest updates on this critical international crisis.